Okay. So So Calmag is our newest product. Do you need Calmag in a soil? Well, it depends on your water. So if you're using RO water, or if you've got soft water that's under 0.3, 0.4 EC, it's advisable to use a Calmag to put that calcium magnesium content into the water and prevent deficiencies developing during the grow. If you're having a successful grow at the moment and you're not using Calmag, you probably don't need to use Calmag. But we've made it because growers have demanded it. Growers are getting more professional. There's more growers that are using RO water, taking the nasties out of their background water, putting the good stuff back into it and balancing it. So if you're using it to treat your water, 1 ml per litre of Calmag will bring your EC up 0.1 on the scale. So if, for example, your tap water is 0.2 and you want to bring it up to 0.3, it's 1 ml per litre. If you want to bring it up to 0.4, it's 2 ml per litre of Calmag. If you're using RO, which has got no EC, and you don't want to use 4 ml per litre of Calmag to bring it up to 0.4, just add half tap water back into it. That'll bring it up to maybe 0.1, 0.2, and then you can use 1 or 2 ml per litre of Calmag to bring it back up. Why use Biobizz Calmag over another Calmag? There's no nitrogen in our formula. So most Calmags that are on the market have been created with calcium nitrate and magnesium nitrate. So it's got an NPK value, it's normally 200. This has no NPK value. So we use calcium carbonate and magnesium sulfate. So it's literally calcium, magnesium and sulfur that's in the bottle. There's no effect on the NPK. You're not adding excess nitrogen to your mix. You don't have to amend your feeding strategy because you're not adding anything extra to your mix. If you want to use Biobizz nutrients to grow on cocoa, then you'll need to use the Calmag and the Activera and also the BioPH to treat the water beforehand. It's a humic acid base, so it's going to help with uptake, and it's pH neutral. pH is about 7, 7.5, and it's 100% certified.